Exactly a month ago, 21st, 22nd October, we marked 20 years of my company, Bharat Forge's footprints here in Germany. It was in 2004 that we had acquired a small business in Ennepetal that was known by the name of Carl Dan Peddinghaus. That was the name of the founder at that time, a very distinguished engineer who had formed this forging company near Dusseldorf. That was followed by another acquisition called Aluminum Technique in Dresden. And eventually this marked the paradigm shift in our company's quest for supplying and being a solutions development partner to who's who of the European automotive industry. For an Indian company, 20 years ago, this was not easy. We were entering uncharted territory. I don't think any German automotive executive ever believed that an Indian company coming out of Pune can supply, let's say, critical automotive components 20 years ago. Today it's a different story altogether. And hopefully tomorrow it'll be another story where we may even do even better things and greater things. Today, 250,000 Indians reside in Germany. Back then, there were only about 25,000. Today, you have restaurants serving Indian cuisine in every major German city. Back then, there weren't any. Most Indians who come here, by the way, don't miss Indian cuisine. They enjoy European food. But we also have a large population of vegetarians who like their curry. Germany in 2004 was the third largest economy in the world. India was not even listed in the top 10. So when we took charge of these operations, there was a lot of skepticism within the management and the workforce. CDP's workforce in Ennepetal was roughly about 550, 600 people. And the skepticism was, here's an Indian guy coming from India. He's going to take our technology, take it to India, take our jobs, and run this company down. And we knew if we had to succeed in the heartland of German manufacturing, and the Ruhr region is the heartland of German manufacturing, at least in the metal area, and like Stuttgart is in the automotive area, we had to first gain the trust of our employees, create a collective new vision together, and chart the way forward to grow the business and win the confidence of our customers. But ladies and gentlemen, within 100 days from the day we acquired this business, one of my good friends, and then who was the director of sales and marketing, his name was Michael Kaspersky, he long retired, paid glowing tributes to the new organization and acknowledged the technology, discipline, and speed that we Indians brought back in the company that charted the course of profitable growth in the following years. We gradually became one of the largest forging companies, and today at Bharat Forge, we take pride in being a preferred supplier and development partner to marquee customers like Mercedes-Benz of the Daimler Group, Porsche, Volkswagen Group, Volvo, Scania, DAF, MTU, almost every company who is making anything to do with engines and transmissions. We greatly value our relationships with each of our customers. Mr. Berzer from Mercedes-Benz is here, as I said, and I must take this opportunity to convey our sincere gratitude to the continued support, patronage, and guidance that we have received from the Daimler Group. And also I must say that Mercedes has played a very, very crucial role in developing the technology level of a lot of Indian companies. They have manufacturing plants in India, both for passenger cars and for trucks and also for buses. And they have many suppliers and supplier development systems. And it's just amazing what you can learn from a company like Mercedes-Benz. So thank you, Mr. Mirza.